out for a walk. Turkey, coyote, human footprint, and someone very special, rabbit, and more rabbit. And here they come. And then the mix. Rabbits, coyotes, humans, turkeys. Everyone is out for a walk. This morning, last night. It's a highway. And it's traversed every day. Go walk. Everyone's walking. Animals do it. People do it. And it's simply beautiful. Take your brain outside. Listen. Listen to yourself. Thoughts, emotions, or just the sound of you. And be sure to stop. Just to breathe in hydrogen, photons, oxygen, nitrogen. It's magical out here. Every day.